Pro Duo is a laptop that truly has everything.
All right, don't exaggerate. There's no way it has everything.
Everything.
A 4K display.
Yes.
Touchscreen display.
Yes.
Top-of-the-line CPU.
Yes. 1 hour later.
Multiple Thunderbolt 4 USB-C ports.
Yes.
Keyboard.
Yep.
Ergonomic keyboard.
Yes.
All right, it has everything.
Everything. Hello, everyone, and welcome back to another episode of Unbox This. I gotta tell you, working on this show has forced me to realize how difficult it can be to keep up with the latest tech. It makes my head spin. But surprise, surprise, ASUS seems to have no issue with providing the latest and greatest of tech innovations, and today they have us in awe once again with the ASUS ZenBook Pro Duo 15! This dreamy laptop stuns us with two 4K displays that work cohesively together to optimize multitasking and provide an immersive viewing experience. It runs on some killer components, has all the next-gen connectivity you could want, and you can feel extra protected because the ZenBook has even had its durability militarily tested. Thank you for your service. I can't wait to talk more about this, but in order to fully admire it, we better unbox this. I'm excited. I've only seen pictures so far of especially the two screens that are on this, so to see it in person, I'm excited, but also scared because I don't want to mess it up. Judging by the lightning bolt, there's got to be the power cord in here. Yeah! Okay, this is where we have our power brick. Wires. Cool. Is this? Oh, our pen! Oh my god! Oh my god. See, I think what's exciting about this laptop too is it's high-end, plus you get this pen with it too. This one's the ASUS Pen 2.0, so it's better than the 1.0. Dang, this is sleek. All right, that's it. That's all we have to unbox, right? It's just the pen? I think it's just the pen. Cool, 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 cool. All right, that's all we have in this box. And then, oh, another goodie. We have a backpack! It looks like your ZenBook is gonna fit perfectly in here, and then your little pen will fit perfectly in here. This is so perfect to fit all your gear. And then we have the grand goddess herself. Oh, this is your lift stand to make it more ergonomic. Then in here is the ZenBook itself. God, this fully feels like a briefcase. I love this style already. And hold on. Because we have to take a moment for the packaging, when you open this, it lifts itself up. It like knows what it's doing. It lifts itself out. Okay, anyway. Yay! Oh, this looks so nice. Wow. In our envelope, it looks like we have our warranty card. You have your user guide, and then you also have your thank you for purchasing, along with the QR code. Okay, there we go. Oh, this is your palm rest. Oh, sweet. This laptop comes with so many goodies. You get your palm rest, your laptop stand, plus a pen. This is amazing. Oh, I can't wait to put this all together. Okay, this looks so exciting. I'm excited to play with this laptop along with this pen and put this all together. Let's freaking get into it. I'm excited. What do we think of my new ASUS backpack? We like it? Good. Let's get into it. Here it is in all its glory. May I present to you the ASUS ZenBook Pro Duo 15. 15! This is gonna look great everywhere. Whether you're taking it to work, to the studio, school, or just the living room couch, the possibilities are endless here with where you can take it and what you can do with it. So let's dive into it, starting with what this baby is running on. This sleek powerhouse laptop features a 12th gen Intel Core i9-12900H processor and an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3070 Ti laptop GPU with 8 GB of VRAM. This laptop is going to run at an incredibly fast 0.2 ms response time, and the screens are going to look so darn stunning. And yeah, I said screens, plural. First off, you have the 15.6-inch OLED 4K Nano Edge Touch main display. The colors and display have incredible contrast and clarity, so whether you're editing or streaming, you're gonna be able to see every little detail on this OLED display. Your bonus display is this beautiful ScreenPad Plus. It's a 14-inch 4K matte touchscreen, which is going to allow for some major multitasking because you can extend the screen or split windows and apps so you can spread your attention and get lots of jobs done at once. Trust me, I know multitasking. While filming this, I'm getting my CPR certification.
I don't think this is how you do CPR.
Well, how else am I supposed to learn, Nico? I have to keep practicing. The incredible features don't end there. There's a built-in IR camera for easy facial recognition sign-in, which is great because I'm always changing my passwords, but my face never changes. Easy sign-in. You'll also be saving your wrist thanks to the exclusive Ergo Lift design, which improves your typing position so you're not straining yourself, especially if you're the type to spend hours on your laptop. Taking a deeper look at the tech, this baby is coming with Windows 11 Pro plus fast storage and memory with 1 TB of PCIe NVMe M.2 SSD and 32 GB of laptop DDR5 RAM. No fear of overheating with all this power. You have a peace of mind optimized cooling system that's going to make sure that your ZenBook has longevity and runs at peak performance. You also have built-in Wi-Fi 6E, the latest and speediest on the market. This laptop also has extensive connectivity, a USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type A, HDMI 2.1, 3.5mm combo audio jack, and not one, but 2 Thunderbolt 4 USB-C. This ZenBook Pro truly keeps up with today's tech demands. Looking at these screens, you can see that this laptop is especially great for content creators. The dual screens for multitasking, the ASUS Pen 2.0 stylus so you can draw directly on the screens, plus the high-end specs make it so you can complete projects at the highest efficiency. I know you're gonna wanna get your hands on the ASUS ZenBook Pro Duo 15, so check out the links in the description so you can get one for yourself. And if you could, why not also subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss an episode? I'm Tori, thanks for watching, see ya!
Wait, I still have some more questions.
Can't you just watch the episode?
Does it have a terabyte of storage?
Yes.
And memory?
Yes.
And a stylus pen?
Yes.
And a sleek design?
Yes.
Lightweight?
Yes.
The high-res monitor?
Yes.